Yeah. Hey, what is up, everybody? I got this box from Drew Wood, a fellow subscriber on the YouTube channel, and he decided to send a random act of kindness box. I received it yesterday. It was delayed because of weather condition, I guess. But you guys know I'm not in a rush. But yeah, he sent it on the 16th, and it just arrived yesterday, like I said. And well, thank you very much. I mean, cause I'm pretty sure he read. I was looking for some castings, and then he said he'll send me some, and he got my address, and so yeah. Let's see what all it's in here. Me and my one hand, see if I can bust it open. Let me just flip it real quick. Give me a second. I'm gonna need both hands, I think. Psych. Alright, I got it done. He said, well, let me just open it and without he said, she said, Let's see what all it's in here, and I just want to thank you, Drew. Thank you for this box, man. I mean, I know yeah, there's good people out there, who's just do damn, take a look. Random act of kindness. Let's see what all is in here. Short cards. That's great, man. We don't see those very often over here. And take a look. This is the Porsche Carrera 96 from the Night Burners. He must be a regular, cause a regular viewer, man. I do collect the Night Burners. That's the only series that I go crazy for. And take a look. This Porsche is very nice. It's in white, and it's got like the back and front tampos, and it's got like a tan interior, which is, I don't know, but it makes it luxurious, like a Porsche is a luxurious car. So I guess the tan goes with it. But thank you. That was item number one. Let's see, the Volkswagen Golf GTI. This is an amazing casting. Very, very nice, man. And you guys have seen, or well, I haven't. I already uploaded a video. I think I'm gonna upload this one today, just because it's I'll do both right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do well, I don't even know the order I'm doing, man. I got so behind because it just got busy. But yeah, man, take a look. This is the Volkswagen GTI, sweet casting. Take a look at this one. Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR from Hot Wheels Rescue. This one is also very nice, man. I just I'm happy that it is a short card. Very, very nice casting. I don't know, man. I didn't really like the red one, but in white it looks very nice, man. Very panda or Japan looking, or Japanese. Oh, take a look. This is the one from the Night Burners. Oh, he even taped it on both sides. This is from the Night Burners 5-pack, which I have the 5-pack. I just don't have the. I didn't have an extra loose. So, damn. Thank you very much. Let me see if I can get it out of the blister, or I'll try in a second. But you guys know this casting for sure, from the Night Burners 5-pack Nissan Skyline. Very, very nice. And take a look. Oh, this is the Datsun, the Mystery Models 3. The This one was a hard one, a hard to find. I do have this one. I think cause now that I remember, he said he had the Datsun, but I was looking for the one, the yellow. I mean the green one, the green Datsun from Mystery Models 1. It's a green casting, but yeah, this one is definitely nice. I remember when I showed it my bro Jose, he was like, "What's wrong with the faded graphics?" And I told him that's just how it is, cause he thought I had played with it or something. I don't know, but yeah, this is nice, very nice casting. It gave me a hard time to find, but I did get to it, and I have been sending some as a trade as well. Sweet casting. Let me see if I can get the Skyline out of the blister now that I got the Datsun. I don't think it's that hard. It's just there it is. Take a look, man. This thing is very nice. This is the 2000 GT X Skyline. Very nice casting, man. Very retro, very nice. This thing is sweet in this temples as well, and the color scheme is just very nice. Thank you. And there is a RX-7 Mazda. Yeah, let me see if I can bust it open as well. There it is. Yeah, this thing is super nice as well. Great casting. Take a look. And in white, it's got minor details, minor temples, but still, it's a nice casting overall, and I like that lip. Very nice. And take a look. The Volkswagen Caddy, or oh, actually, this is a 620 Datsun. It was looking like a Cadillac or a Caddy, not a Cadillac. The Volkswagen truck, but yeah, take a look, guys. Datsun. This is the 620. Yeah, 620 Datsun in orange. Very nice, man. I don't think I have it in orange, or maybe I do. I don't even remember now. I gotta bust some of the card castings open and take a look. The best one out of the package. He did tell me, like I said, it was a Volkswagen Beetle. These casting, from what he told me, it's like the one from the Morris Mini. It has that feature that unlocks, and it'll show you the inside. So it'll be looking like a dumb buggy. And this is a treasure hunt, actually. I had never seen this casting. Damn, this thing. Oh, it even has. Also, this is like the super treasure hunt, I guess, from back in the days. Damn, this is a very nice casting. This is the new Beetle. Damn, and this thing is very nice. I hadn't seen this casting at all. He was right, cause he texted me, or he got uh to me with on the YouTube, on the comments, and he was telling me he hadn't opened it, but by some research, he knows that it does have that locked unlock feature. But yeah, thank you very much appreciated. I'll try and get to you, man. Like, I'll try and get even if you're looking for certain castings. Let me know, and then I'll go ahead and keep an eye for them, just to return the favor, you know. But yeah, the Datsun, the one I'm looking for, it's a green wagon, and it's from the Mystery Models one. But yeah, definitely this is a nice trade box. I guess I'm gonna call it a trade box because definitely gonna get even with him, you know. Um, but yeah, so thank you very much, Drew Wood. Much appreciated, and just thank you, and thank you. Yeah. Stay tuned, guys, and I have the. I'll probably by now I'll probably upload the flea market videos, or at least one, and then this one right here in particular, and then the second um flea market video, which was very long. That thing was like 30 minutes, or it's gonna be 30 minutes. So yeah, stay tuned, guys, cause we did get a lot of cool castings. So stay tuned, and yeah, just happy hunting. See you guys, and once again, thank you, Drew. Thank you very much appreciated, and well, like I said, I'll get back to you, man. Thank you. Yeah.